Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear all cache in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you use Windows 10 or Windows 11, and now you want to clear all your Windows cache to improve your Windows performance, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to clear all cache or clear your cache and cookies on Windows 10 and Windows 11, there are a few ways you can go about this. The first approach is by pressing the Windows and the arrow button together, then to open the run command. Once the run command opens, type refresh and click OK. Then you may see people that do not have the permission, just go ahead and allow the permission. So once you have access to all the preferred, you need to delete this on your Windows computer. Select one of them, press Ctrl A, choose the delete button, and then delete. And then if you have this action cannot be undone because the file is open, just check do this for all current items and click on skip. Then you should see the file deleted here. Now go ahead and close that. Again, press Windows R to open the run command. Here you want to type temp. So this is like temporary files on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So once you type temp, this is going to open the directory where your temporary files are stored on your Windows. Then go ahead and click on OK. Hang on for the temp files to open. So if you have anything under your temp, so all you need to do is select all to delete all the files you have here. I do not have any temporary files because I recently cleared my temporary files on my Windows 11 to increase the performance. So close that. Then again, press Windows R to open the run command. Now I want to go ahead and type %temp %. Click on OK. Now you're going to have some temporary files here, and this under local files on the C drive. So to delete all of these files, you just need to click on one of them, press Ctrl A, and then delete. However, if you see too much files here, then this may increase your Windows storage size once you delete all these files. And these are temporary files. This is not going to affect your Windows 10 or Windows 11 performance negatively. Just select all of them, then choose delete, and then do this for all files and click on skip to delete all the files. So make sure all the files here are deleted. If it says you open a particular software that is stopping these files from deleting, go ahead, close the files, and then delete all the files again. Last but not the least way to clear cache on Windows 10 or clear all your cache on Windows 10 and Windows 11 is press Windows R to open the run command. Then come here and type clean manager, that is clean mgr. Click on OK. Here, if you have more than a disk, select the disk you want to clean, select OK. So here I'm going to select disk C, so let's select the C, click on OK. Now once you selected OK, then you should say the disk trying to calculate, and afterward then you should say this page. Then you should say you can use disk cleanup to free up this percentage of disk space on my Windows C, on my C drive. So if you have more than megabyte size, then you should say the size here. Go ahead and check all files you want to delete here, including temporary files, your recycle bin, and all of that, and click on clean up file system. Then click on OK again, where you say drive selection. Then you should say disk cleanup. This cleanup is calculating how much space you'll be able to free on C drive. This may take a few minutes to complete. So just hang on while your Windows 10 or Windows 11 calculate how long it's going to take you to clean up your Windows C drive or the Windows D drive, depending on the drive you selected. So this may run to minutes or more than 5 to 10 minutes, but definitely this will show up some files that you need to delete or remove from your Windows. Then you should say clean up for C. So these are the files you can clean up on your Windows C. Now go ahead and click on OK. Then should say, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. Then once all the files are deleted, then you're good to go. So that is basically all you need to do to clear all cache on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.